Jeff Moore, Wild Things Seafood. I know that you've heard from me now on the phone, on your voicemail, and we've engaged each other via the message via Facebook. And just want to thank you very much for your support and giving us a try. The jumbo cooked and peeled shrimp, cocktail shrimp, is on its way. That's a great product. You're going to want to thaw that by taking it out of the bag and running it and putting it in a colander, the shrimp in a colander, and just sprinkle some cold water over it and let the ice run off of it and let it thaw that way. Thawing it in the colander allows everything to kind of rinse off very well, gives it a cleaner tasting shrimp. Also, for trying us out so early and being such a great sport, we're throwing in a couple free pieces of ahi tuna and a couple pieces of wahoo, and you're going to love that. The ahi's great, blackened and seared with soy and wasabi and ginger. It's awesome. And the wahoo, which is also known as ono in Hawaii, which ono means delicious in Hawaiian, is another one that's great, blackened, cooked to a medium rare because it is a leaner fish. You don't want to overcook that. Cooked to a medium rare and then cover with a mango salsa. It's going to be fabulous. Also in this package, you're going to receive a packet that's got cooking instructions and some recipes, and the cooking instructions page is different methods and things. It's a fabulous piece my assistant put together, and I'm real proud of her for that. Lastly, there's not lastly, but we would like you to, when you receive your product, take a picture of that, of the box you receive with you, and post that on our Facebook page. Says, hey, I got my free seafood, my free shrimp via the gourmet giveaway at Wild Things Seafood. So we're going to provide an exceptional and shareable experience, so people want to share that with their friends and create a friction-free process. So, hey, what's easier to sell than free? So that's how we did it on our food service side. Every chef that we work with obviously requires samples before he decides to use our product, and so that's what we do. And so that's the same thing we're doing on this side. So there's absolutely no obligation to buy anything. You're not a member of anything. I just hope that we did such a great job that you'll continue to buy. Now you will hear from me ongoing, but more importantly, over the next 8 weeks, you'll get about 3 more offers of $30 worth of free seafood to take advantage of, and some opportunities that we'll give you to be able to earn that very, very easily. Again, no obligation to do any of it, but we just believe that we've got great product, and we hope that you will think that too. And again, I really appreciate your giving us the shot and your support and sharing it out with your friends. Bye, May.